Look bro, I installed a smart app that tells everything about you. Finally a device going to remind me.
Or roast you.
Confidence level, ultra high.
Oh wow!
Your plan today, do everything, and finish nothing.
Oh yes, I know you do this every time.
This tablet really acts like it's roasting.
Energy level, 100%. Focus level, 0%.
Thank you.
Brain scan loading. Brain 0%.
Oh really? Mine is 0%.
Top skill, making life difficult someone around you. Secondary skill, drama.
Oh really? Making life difficult for everyone? Drama detected. This tablet is actually insulting me.
It's not roasting.
Thank you.
It's actually teaching you, so that you can become better.
Strength, you never stop trying. Weakness, give up too fast.
Maybe.
Oh yes, I know you do this.
Alright, I will accept it. Yes, this is true. Sometimes I do lose patience, one task at a time, so that I can focus and complete my task maybe.
Improvement results, starts with honesty. Final results, drama still high but acceptable.